petrochemical dollars and a near worldwide monopoly in healthcare. It works overtime to prevent the truth about dietary supplements from getting out to the public.
Anything that comes from nature cannot be patented. They're not interested in that. So, we translate that into the real world of FDA approval. Surely these drug companies aren't going to spend $20 million or more testing any substance from nature because it can't be patented. That, and of course the FDA says it's illegal to use unless it's been tested for efficacy and safety. Now you see the catch-22 you're in there. Nothing from nature, regardless of how effective it might be, will ever be proven safe or effective according to the FDA. It'll never be. Because nobody's going to spend the money to go through the test. So therefore, everything from nature will always be condemned by the FDA as unproven. An unproven cancer cure.
Evidence to release my pain, put the needle to the record, not the needle to the vein. Simple and plain, I aim with both hands and confidence. I aim with two hands and confidence. Evidence to release the pain, put the needle to the record, not the needle to the vein. Simple and plain, I aim with both hands and confidence. I aim with two hands, I turn tents to fortresses.